everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set goals successfully and accomplish them. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Goal setting is a necessary part of achieving success. Without specific, measurable goals, it's impossible to track progress and know when you've reached your objectives. The process of goal setting begins with identifying what you want to achieve. Once you have a clear understanding of your desired outcome, you can develop a plan of action for reaching that goal. It's important to break down your goal into smaller, achievable steps that you can focus on one at a time. Trying to accomplish too much at once will only lead to frustration and ultimately cause you to give up altogether. Track your progress along the way and keep yourself motivated by celebrating each accomplishment, no matter how small. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Some people may feel like they don't need goals in their life. Others may set goals but feel like they never achieve them. If you're one of those people who want to learn how to set goals and achieve them successfully, listen to this blog and follow these simple tips. You'll be well on your way to goal-setting success. Number 1. Set goals that are achievable. When it comes to setting goals, it's important to find a balance between what's achievable and what's aspirational. You don't want to set yourself up for disappointment by setting unrealistic goals. But you also don't want to sell yourself short by setting goals that are too easy. Finding that sweet spot is key to setting goals that will motivate and inspire you. And when you finally achieve one of those lofty goals, the sense of accomplishment will be that much sweeter. Challenge yourself so that you can stretch yourself and grow. Number 2. Consider your passions. If you want to achieve success in life, you need to be passionate about your goals. Without passion, you'll never have the drive or motivation to keep pushing forwards. Your goals need to mean something to you, and they need to be something that you're willing to fight for. So ask yourself, are your current goals worth your passion? The most successful people are passionate about their goals. If you're not passionate about your goals, you're less likely to achieve them. To be successful, find something worth being passionate about and put your all into it. Number 3. Make it specific. To achieve your goals, make them specific. That means knowing exactly what you want to achieve and why it's important to you. Without this level of specificity, it'll be difficult to put together a plan of action and stay motivated throughout the process. But with clear and specific goals, you give yourself a much better chance of succeeding. So take the time to figure out what you really want and set some concrete goals today. What does that mean for you? What steps will it take to get there? By being specific with your goals, you set yourself up for a success. Number 4. Set a deadline to accomplish your goals. Progress towards your goals can feel slow, but remember that even small steps forward are worth celebrating. Setting a deadline is a great way to ensure that you accomplish your goals. By setting specific date or time by which you hope to achieve your goals, you are more likely to stick to your plan and actually achieve success. Without a deadline, your goals may never be accomplished. Give yourself a timeline to achieve what you set out to do. Having a deadline helps to keep you focused and on track, so set one for yourself and stick to it. Number 5. Imagine your future. What do you want your future to look like? What goals do you want to achieve? How will you get there? Imagine your future and what it could hold for you. Envision yourself achieving your goals and all that you will have accomplished. See yourself as happy and successful, living the life you've always wanted. Believe in yourself and know that you have the power to make your dreams a reality. Allow yourself to be motivated by your own imagination and let it guide you towards a bright future. Set your goals high and don't be afraid to go after them. Pursue your dreams with determination and drive until you reach the success you've always imagined. Number 6. Commit to your goals. Making your goals a priority is essential to achieving them. But committing to your goals goes beyond just setting them. You also need to follow through and take action. To achieve your goals, you must first commit to them. This means making a promise to yourself to see them through. It's not enough to simply state your goals. You must be willing to do the work required to make them happen. If you're not prepared to put in the effort, you'll never achieve your aims. But if you're willing and able to commit, anything is possible. So set your goals high and go after them with everything you've got. Number 7. Keep going. If you ever feel like giving up, just remember why you started chasing your goals in the first place. The only way to reach your goals is to keep going. Don't give up, even when things get tough. Every step you take gets you closer to where you want to be. Set your sights on what you want to achieve and don't let anything get in your way. Stay focused and driven, and you'll reach your goals in no time. Everything worth achieving will require effort, dedication, and persistence. So don't give up when the going gets tough. Keep going, and eventually, you'll reach your goals. Number 8. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help in achieving your goals. There are people who want to see you succeed and will be more than happy to offer assistance. Asking for help can be the key to achieving your goals. If you're feeling stuck or uncertain of how to proceed, don't hesitate to reach out to someone who can offer guidance. Sometimes, all it takes is a little assistance to get you back on track and moving towards your objectives. Requesting help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you're willing to put in the work necessary to reach your goals. So don't be afraid to ask for assistance when it comes to achieving your dreams. Every success begins with a willingness to ask for help. Number 9. Remain accountable. Accountability is key to achieving your goals. It's important if you want to achieve your goals. Staying accountable means taking responsibility for your actions and decisions and being willing to face the consequences of your choices. Feeling accountable pushes you to work harder and perform at your best. If you're not accountable, it'll be difficult to achieve anything. So set some goals and remain accountable to achieve them. And number 10, reward yourself for accomplishment. When you accomplish your goals, give yourself a reward. This will help you stay motivated and focus on achieving even more. Choose something you really want, something that will make you happy. It can be something small or something big, as long as it means something to you. It's happy to set goals, but it's even more satisfying to achieve them. That's why it's important to have a clear plan and a strong motivation. With those in place, any goal is within reach. Find more goals to achieve and don't stop until you reach them all. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish when you set your mind to it. Keep pushing forward and find new ways to challenge yourself. There are no limits to what you can do. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.